are Group Banana. I'm Megan.
Ishan, Ashley, Jolenta. We are from SMK CHUNG.
The banana fruit, a nutritious fruit enjoyed around the world. The banana leaf, a natural plant, biodegradable and eco-friendly.
But the banana stem, often overlooked as agricultural waste, ignored and forgotten.
You know, in Malaysia alone, our banana farming produces up to 250,000 tons of stem waste yearly. If left decomposed, it releases methane, a gas which is 25 times more harmful than carbon dioxide.
The banana stem cell is a perfect solution. It converts banana stem waste, an often overlooked byproduct of agriculture, into a clean and usable energy. Instead of letting it waste landfills or pollute waterways, the community can now use the electricity produced for a greater good.
Using natural electrolytes found in banana juice, combined with zinc and copper blacks, a simple chemical reaction generates electrical energy.
This reaction is safe and emission-free
and strong enough to power low voltage devices like LEDs and mini fans.
When we insert a zinc plate and a copper plate into banana stem juice, something amazing happens. The juice acts as an electrolyte, helping ions move between the metals. At a zinc plate, atoms lose electrons, and that is called oxidation. Those electrons travel through a wire to the copper plate, where hydrogen ions gather, and that is reduction. This flow of electrons creates electricity, which is enough to light up an LED.
To make the banana stem cell kit, we carefully selected affordable and essential materials. We start with the copper plates, which cost 30 ringgit and 38 cents, and the zinc plate at 28 ringgit. These are our key electrodes. To extract banana stem cell juice, we include a blender at price 49 ringgit. Alligator clips and wire cost 3 ringgit and 13 cents, while LED lights only cost at 24 cents. For safety and measurement, we have added gloves at 2 ringgit and 36 cents and measuring cup at 2 ringgit and 80 cents. And finally, the container to hold it all together just at 4 ringgit 99 cents. In total, the complete DIY green energy kit costs around 109 ringgit and 70 cents, making a renewable energy not just possible but affordable.